Immaculate and spacious, this 4-bedroom 3-full-bath home has room for everybody. Enjoy 2 living areas, family room, and an open floor plan. Your kitchen has plenty of room for all those helping hands. Lots of counter space and cabinets. There is also abundant storage throughout this super clean home. This is the perfect home for a large family. It is located in a wonderful neighborhood. You will be impressed. Stop by and take a look. Feel right at home and very comfortable floor plan. View from fireplace looking towards kitchen.